So hi, to continue the hydrological analysis in this tutorial, now I'm going to teach you very important title, that is stream order. So you can always calculate the stream order, that is whether it is first order, second order, third order, or continuously, like how many order that it can consist of. And to calculate this stream order you need a input raster. Okay, input raster will be of stream network, but it should be in the form of raster. Okay, so you can just go here and select this stream order. For that, where you can find this tool, you can find this tool under the toolbox. Go to spatial analyst, under this hydrology you will find the system order. Okay, go and click there, and then you have to provide the input stream raster. I'm going to use the same integer stream raster so that it will not create any problem for me. And then you have to provide one very important input, that is flow direction, that is from which direction the flow is continuously flowing towards downstream. Okay, so you have to select this flow direction digital elevation model, sorry, flow direction raster data, which you calculate from the same digital elevation model that you are going to calculate for this stream network. So after inputting this value, you have to go and just rename based on the requirement. I'm just giving the name as stream order. And there is one more important thing, that is method of stream ordering. So there are two methods, one is Strahler and another is sweep. So you really need to understand what is Strahler and what is sweep. So in case of Strahler, the method of stream ordering proposed by Strahler in 1952. Okay, the stream order only increases when stream of same order intersect. Okay, that means if two river network with, sorry, stream network with order same value, like for example stream A has 2 and stream B has 2, then if they intersect, then only the order of the order of the river network will increase, otherwise it will remain the highest value, that is approach. So basically what I'm trying to say is, okay, let's just have a look over here. For example, this is one river network and this is another river network. For example, this river network is river network with order 1 and this is order 2. Then if this two river comes here and join over here, and there is another river network that has been created, in that case if we are using Strahler method, then the value will be 2 because both have the same order. Or if this river network has order 1 and this river network has order 2, in that case this two river network have different order, that means the new network will be the highest order that is coming, that is inputting here. For example, if second order is the highest, then it will just input the value of second order. But if you are using this srib method, then in that case what will happen is it will just add the value. For example, 1 is coming from this side and 2 is coming from this side, then what will be the order of this river network? It will be 3, because 1 plus 2 is 3. If 1 is coming from here, 3 is coming from here, then the order of this river network will be 4. That is how it works. So it is up to you that what you are willing to do and what is your purpose of the work is what the definition of using this method will be selected. So for now I'm going to use this starter method, and I'm just going to simply run this tool. And once it start working, it will create a new raster named as stream order, and over there you will find the actual river network. Okay, with the order value. Okay, let's just have a look. See, so this two river network has order 1. You can see over here in the pleasant symbology. This two river network is 1, and when these two combined, the value changes to 2, because two river network with the same value combined and gives the one new value. But if you check over here, this is river network 2 and this is river network 1, sorry, river order 1, and when these two coincide and form a new river network, then the value remains 2. That is how Strahler method works. So yeah, if you want to convert this to sorry, what is that, line, streamline, polyline, you can just simply go and convert using raster to polyline. That will store this value, and you can always use this order value for further tasks that you want to work. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can always create and provide the stream order, so that you can understand how much possibility of accumulation of the river water or maybe network water could be accumulated in that stream. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.